All right, so picking up where we left off, the 83 944, we limped it home. It ran like crap. All right, we were maybe 2 hours into the trip. It seemed like the coolant temp started creeping up a little bit. Insert clip of it not really making any power. It like tipping right away, just misfiring. So the first thing I wanted to tackle was plugs and wires. And that is because it limped home with this setup. Whoa. Let's get those off, the plugs first, and then, because then we won't lose track of which one goes where, although I tried to take a picture of it. Oh yeah, that one was on there, good. We got the first plug out. I don't know the last time Bosch used green branding, but I don't know, this thing could be original. We'll do a little eBay listing if anyone wants this. Huge gap sauce. Now it is an NA car, so the gaps are a lot bigger on an NA car, but that looks like that's like 60 thousandths, which to me sounds like a lot. So we tackled the plugs and wires. Fresh plugs, fresh wires. Well, let's start. No one knows.
Battery's probably dead.
And now, purrs like a freaking kitten and actually makes power. Buttery smooth, baby. So the next step was to make it easier to service. And by that I mean fixing the front hood props. So it appears that to get these off, I got this clip off. Could just be that maneuver, and then that maneuver, and that maneuver, and then this maneuver. Can you go up at all? That's it?
Yeah, take this hood prop out of my hand.
It doesn't feel good. Oh yeah, you're hitting the big pillar. Ow. God. There we go.
That doesn't feel good at all. Good thing this isn't a purist only vehicle.
One side done?
You only needed one side.
I know, I was kind of wondering about that. Try to save a couple bucks.
Send it back.
Look at this.
It's already.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to figure out how to get that crap off of there. And fixing the rear hood props. Alright, so place the rear hood strut replaced. The rear like OEM ball thing, you gotta like pull this guy out all the way, then you pop it off, and then the bottom one just kind of pops off. The new style is a lot easier, you pop that clip up. But now we are just kind of trying to grease up this guy, but also bring it out a little bit, because I always have to like force the trunk closed in order to get it to open. And so
If we back these off,
just gonna do like a little turn. We don't want it to be too far open, because then get some sort of penetrant in there. Problem is we need to go up.
I mean, it'll seep up, I bet, a little bit.
Could also just take this whole block out, but I'm sure those are also not in great shape. 39 years old. What, you know, I'm only 29 and I'm starting to feel it, you know. On the next video, we will tackle some fluids. Because the goal right now is just to get the car running and driving so we can figure out what sort of suspension or other chassis issues we're going to run into before we start modifying it.